Before you came round, my heart would never be much faster. Before you came round, I was ready to slow down.
Hi there you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Right now we're gonna start by moisturizing our face with the Avon True Hydra Boost.
I was ready to blow me down.
Now we're gonna put on some sunscreen. I'm using the Picture Perfect Day. It's a daily moisturizer with SPF. We're just gonna apply concealer and use it as a base for our eyeshadow.
Let it go, make my body go. Take our bodies higher and higher and higher. We can go until the morning glow.
Now we're gonna grab a yellow shade and we're gonna apply it to the inner crease of our eye. And keep on packing that color and also blending it out over and over again until you get that desired strength of the color.
And my soul beats a sound loud enough to quiet the thunder. In love with no doubt, and now I'm never gonna slow down. Never gonna slow down.
Now let's grab a red shade and just apply it to the outer half of our crease and also just blending it out. Now, this may take some time since we are just going to really focus on the blending, but don't worry, it will come out great if you just keep on blending. Right now, I'm just blending those two colors together and going in between the two brushes, and also just blending like always. Now what I'm doing is just blending out those edges with a white shadow. Now grabbing the black shade from this palette, I'm just going to be applying it in the outer corner of my eye and blending it in with the red. Reapplying more color where I sensed that I lost a shit ton of color. Now, of course, we have to cut our crease. And we're just going to cut our crease with that same concealer. I decided to do a half cut crease, and of course, I'm not really an expert in how to do a cut crease, but I really like to exaggerate mine to make it pop even more. To apply the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk and just applying it wherever we cut our crease, just so we can have a white base. in this palette. I'm just going to be applying it wherever I cut my crease. Now I'm just going to apply some liquid liner, and I'm using the NYX Matte liquid liner. Grabbing a light blue shade and applying it all over my lower lash line. Now, of course, we're gonna apply highlighter, and we're just gonna apply it all over our high points, so our nose, our cupid's bow, the high points of our cheeks. And I'm just blending it out with this Morphe M501, if I'm not wrong. Now I'm just going to be using the Melted Matte lipstick from Too Faced in the shade Who's Zooming Who. We're done! I hope you guys liked this primary themed look. I really wanted to play with this kind of thing where I just use the primary colors, and I'm kind of proud of what I did. So this is goodbye for now, but I hope to see you guys soon, and enjoy your day, your night, your whatever, and have a wonderful week. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye!